Okay, everyone, all the tea lovers around the world. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm going to order one of my favorite black tea from CeylonTeaBrew.com, and this website is specialized for best quality tea products in Sri Lanka, and also they are very high reputed all around the world as well. Okay, on the search bar I'm gonna search for black tea, or if you want you can just go look in each category here on the left side, but I prefer searching because I have already chosen what I'm gonna try out. Alright, this is all the tea in one page. Let's go to the next page. Alright, there you go. This is the tea that I'm going to order today. Let's open this up. Let me quickly explain a bit of information about this particular tea. This is a Victorian Blend selected orange PEKOE tea. This has 400 grams in net, which is a pure loose black tea. It is manufactured by a reputed company called Mlesna, and in this tea, if you wanna check out some description here, it is organic black tea hand-picked from fresh gardens in Sri Lanka, and single origin tea, pure Ceylon tea. It is loose leaf black tea. Expiration date is way ahead, 2025, which is very fresh. And they have also put some details on how to prepare and how to brew Ceylon tea from here. And this particular tea has health benefits, a lot of health benefits. For example, it has antioxidant, which is very great for better health. Okay, now I'm going to order this particular tea from here. I'm going to choose a 400 gram pack, which is just under $20. It is very good price. Okay, I'm gonna add to cart. Okay, it's just added to the cart. Now I'm going to check out. There you go. We are in the checkout page. Now all you have to do is just put your billing shipping address on the left side, choose the country, address, and the city, and which state you are from. If you're from United States, the zip code or postal code, and your email address here. And if you're ordering this particular tea for someone else, for example, if you're ordering for your friend, or if you drop ship this to someone which is who is residing from your address, all you have to do is just select this and put his or her address here. And if you want to give some advice or message to the seller, you can put that particular message here as well. And on the right side you are given two options for shipping. And they have provided two payment methods, which is you can use your credit card or PayPal account. If you choose to pay using your PayPal account, all you have to do is just select PayPal and go to your PayPal account and complete the payment. Today I'm gonna choose my own credit card. And well, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna complete the checkout process on this page, and then I'm gonna place the order. Then you are gonna get a verification email to your email address, whether they have got your order. And all you have to do is just wait for a few days, a couple of weeks, then you will receive your package. And then after receiving the package, I'll show you how to brew a perfect tea. Okay, I'll see you in the next step.
Okay folks, now I received the order that I ordered a few weeks ago from CeylonTeaBrew.com. I ordered Mlesna black tea, loose tea carrot. Now I have the package with me. Now I'm going to unbox first. Alright, here we go. They have packed very safely from with bubble wrapping. Wow, this is nice. This is the Mlesna tea, black tea. It's called Victorian Blend. Selected orange PEKOE tea, made from the finest gold Ceylon. Now, the company called Mlesna is a very reputed tea company in Sri Lanka for almost a century. Now, this is a loose tea. It has 400 net grams. Now, today I'm gonna make a nice black tea, and I'm going to add milk to the tea, and this is very suitable for breakfast tea or evening tea. Okay, now I'll get back to you in short period. First, you're gonna make black tea. This is the teapot. It has a nice gold color, and you can add fresh milk. Also, you can add sugar. It's optional. Okay, now all you have to do is just enjoy your milk tea. So I enjoyed this nice tea. This is very suitable. It's very delicious because it's from Ceylon. Usually Ceylon has the best tea in the world, and
Usually this tea has this caddy has 400 grams, which will be enough for about 3-4 weeks for a small family. And I personally have this tea twice a day, and yeah, that's it. And I'll show you when I order the next tea from Ceylon Tea Brew. If you want to order this tea, just visit www.ceylonteabrew.com. I'll put the web address of this store in the description section. And thank you so much for joining, and thank you for watching. Enjoy. CeylonTeabrew.com.